Good evening, my brothers and my sisters, my Benin brothers, my Edo brothers and sisters across the globe. Happy Easter to you all. When I come join you at the shop, Gary and groundnut on Easter day. That's what we say among Nigeria we do. You know? I'm coming on live this evening to really show my displeasure. Actually, it affects us, even the Benin's and the Edo people in general. You know, I would have loved to speak to my Benin people, my Benin brothers and my sisters. But this matter is concerning our Edo people. It's not everybody that understand Benin. Me no go, I don't know go, but I get sense. I'm so disappointed in some of our Edo brothers and sisters. Some of them see me soaking Gary and groundnut this evening now. They will say, you know, see Moeti buy fowl for Christmas and for Easter. So they will be happy seeing me drinking Gary and groundnut. They will be happy. Why is it that we Edo people always want to see the downfall of our brothers? What is our benefit? You will see some of our brothers, they will get opportunity to go to Abuja. They will start dressing like Hausa man. Or they go to the anywhere in the north, they will start dressing like Hausa Fulani. Have you ever seen an Hausa man or a Fulani man dressed like a Benin man or an Edo man? What is wrong with us? What is our problem? Is it that we are cursed? Just today, this morning, I saw an advert, Edo convention in the US, Washington DC. Me never go abroad before. I don't know book. I don't get money. But I get sense. We were putting a flavor. One musician, what do they call flavor? Igbo man. What come play for Benin? Edo convention. Edo. And we have a lot of Edo people, Edo musicians, scattered everywhere in the world. Not only in Nigeria, across the world. They don't invite any of those people. Instead, they send a favor. A favor, they call it a flavor from East, Igbo man. I'm not against Flavor. I don't know him. He doesn't know me. But I, Curtis Erusa Ugbo, stand for one thing. For the betterment of my locality, for the betterment of my people. Who are my people? The Benin's and the Edo people. And Nigerians in general. But I believe in equity and justice. Have you ever seen a occasion of an Igbo man when they are celebrating their culture and art, their arts and culture? They will go and bring an Hausa man to come and play for them. Or an Hausa man celebrating their arts and culture to the world. They will go and bring an Igbo man to come and play for them. This Edo state government, something is wrong with them. God did not pass it. And that useless boy, what is his name? I thought he was a smart young man. I'm so disappointed at him. Commissioner for Arts and Culture and Diaspora Affairs, signing in to an event involving Edo state government. He is part of it. Edo state government is part of it. They are inviting Flavor, an Igbo man, to come and play in an Edo occasion, disregarding other Edo people. What is our problem? Is it that we are cursed as a people? You will see, go to social media, you will see Edo people fighting themselves, especially the Beninese. They fight themselves. They want to see the downfall of the other. They will be laughing. Just as some of them will be laughing at me and say, I don't see money to buy rice and chicken for Easter. Now, gari and granite, I dey eat. What will it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? What is the profit to now to see say others beneath your own brothers they fall down? You prefer to patronize another person than to patronize your brother. Go to Edo State. Most of the contractors in Edo State, they are not from Edo State. They are from Lagos State. And they are taxpayers in Lagos State. They are using our taxpayers' money to give them contract, to pay tax in Lagos. And nobody is talking. Everybody clap and follow the foolish people. 2 years ago, I protested because I discovered so much that we have. I went through the university. I don't know Buko, but I go university, I get sense. I go University of Port Harcourt. My name is there. I go there. I discover say we will not get oil. But later, now I come find out say we get oil. I go, me, people they enjoy bursary for my present. Me and Asari Dokubo, we enter University of Port Harcourt together in 1987. They were enjoying bursary. I never enjoyed one day bursary. Later, I discovered that we get oil for our land. Make we go talk to all these people, all these oil exploration companies, headquarters, now they Benin, headquarters, not be branch, their headquarters, now they locate for Benin. Now know about location of industry or localization of industry. Now where the source they now they put headquarters. MPDC na headquarters, Padoshe na headquarters, many other companies na headquarters for Benin. Our people, our Benin youth, Edo youth, they don't enjoy bursary. I protest, may they give our people bursary, may they give our Edo people, may they give them Benin and Edo people, may they give them scholarship, may they give them employment. The next day, what happen? Some people when they betray us, just as we like to betray ourselves, quickly go wrong, go meet them. I mean, I think older man, he know too much. They carry me and others, carry Ogoku for prison. They charge us for treason, treasonable felony. Say we want to take over government. What did me do? Me, I don't look for work. Nobody fit employ me. So, my brothers and my sisters, make I take my gari small, my gari and my granite. If you not like, make una dey laugh me. Now what I get for Easter be this. I'm happy. I'm a contented man. I'm happy with who I am, what I am, and that my name, Curtis Ewusa Ugbo. You understand? I'm very happy with myself. If I come beg you for food, not give me. Now, our people, we fight ourselves. In fact, I'm not going to write to Oba. Oba Atokpe said, may they look into this matter. Critically, it is a cause that we must put up because of our children. Our children, the one that we don't born so, and the one we will never born. Make we look into ourselves. We don't know ourselves. A Benin man, a Edo man, now carry me go for prison for protesting. Say me they give my own Benin brothers and my sisters, my Edo brothers and my sisters, make dem give dem job. Me, I no dey look for work. Nobody fit pay me salary, because me, I dey employ people. Not me today I start to employ people. I started employing people since 1980, since 1997. 1997, 98. Now I start to employ people. And I thank God for it. Our people, we will play social media, we will fight ourselves. We want to see the downfall of our own brother. Look at this convention where they want to do now, not be August, they say they want to do. They are carrying an Igbo man to come and play in an Edo convention. Edo convention. And wetin dey pay me pass, na be this boy, wetin be Esemige Ero, Usaze Esemige Ero. A man that can even tell you the number of, that one don't even know, it's from Oriomo. He claims it's from Oriomo. He doesn't even know the number of oil wells in his locality. I've asked him, I met him in government house last year or so. I asked him, how many oil wells in your local government? He don't even know. Oriomo has the highest gas reserve in the whole of Africa. But look at, go to Oriomo and see. Some of them, they say they're a big man. My brother, I'm happy with my life. God will never let me be poor. I can never be poor till I die, by the grace of God. Not by anybody, not by anybody's power, but by the power of God. But I must continue to punish them with the truth. I will keep saying the truth. Not if they are not angry at this church. If I come begging for food, don't give me. I don't want your food. I don't want your money. But I must continue to punish you with the truth. Since I don't want to learn mess. In fact, I'm going to write a letter to the Oba of Benin. Because this thing is getting out of hand. And all other traditional rulers in Edo Central, Edo North. It's getting out of hand. Our own occasion, where we want to celebrate for America, where our governor, where we elect as governor, now we put on there, is our servant, not the other way around. He is serving us. Where he want to attend. Then in commissioner boy, where be Usaje Edo, Usaje Esemige Edo, they go sign, make another tribe man, Igbo man, they come play. What happen to our Benin musicians? What happen to our Edo musicians? Ishan get musicians. Esako get musicians. What happen to them? I expected that don't brain, that I guess sense person. I guess sense person. That commissioner for what it be named? Commissioner for Arts and Culture and Diaspora Affairs. That one we never know. You don't know where he come from. I expected him to do a competition. Simple. Edo Central, Edo North, Edo South. You do competition. Then the best three, you carry them go perform for America. You have to project your own. Only we will fight ourselves politically. We will fight ourselves economically. We will fight ourselves socially. What did they worry us? What is wrong with us? It is they bother me. You know, I don't like coming on live. This not because I don't get money to buy data. Me they dash people money to buy data, but I don't like all this idea of coming to this thing. Really vexes me where before you see me like this, I'm angry. Osaze na my friend, I know him. But I cannot say because I know him, if they do wrong thing, make I not talk. I was not brought up like that. Even if my papa, you do wrong thing, I will say I will talk. I don't fear anything. I don't keep fear. About 20 years ago, me, I don't fear anything fear. I don't get anything where they call fear for my dictionary. You can shop my Gary and my granite. All these people, they make me the best. Only they will go social media, will they fight themselves. So this one, you don't ever see Igbo man they fight themselves for social media. On Asama, they fight themselves. Only we did not see our downfall. With the happy say your brother they suffer. Wetin be the pleasure wey you dey get for all those ones? In fact, I'm not happy. I'm so sad with this thing that is happening. Our brothers and sisters, they are all performing well in Lagos musically. Wetin dey wrong? You call everybody come home. Let's do a competition. The best three will go to US and perform. Even that I do convention wey they go America, I go do so. Is there anything wrong if they do am for Edo State? I dey ask o, God me no know book. I no get, but I get sense. I no know book, but I get sense. Is there anything wrong that convention where all of them will pack? Governor, all everybody will carry our money. I mean, I don't know say na our money governor dey spend. I mean, na him money. Governor get money to wey dey spend. One na dey go dey bow down for governor. They bow down. They say una birthright for governor. Who is the governor? A governor is the chief servant of the state. Make I go check well. If una no know, make una know. Governor na the chief servant. He dey serve us. I can never bow to any governor. Na two governors don arrest me now. Osomole arrest me, and Osomole arrest me. Obaseki arrest me. Me, I no dey fear. Any other one wey come will say arrest me. I ready. I no dey fear anything. But the truth must be told. I no kill anybody. I no be armed robber. I no be criminal. They try to criminalize my protest. Say me to test against the state. They come put treason for my head. Our ancestors are watching us. My God that I am serving is watching us. We will see how all this old matter will end up. I wish you all a merry and a prosperous Easter celebration. I no know book, but I get sense. I do well. Me, I continue my garri, and I do well. I don't talk my own. If you like, you take. You like, you the best. Me, I no sell. For me, I did. Nothing dey shake me. And me that they call Curtis Ewusa Ogbo. You know, I can't join me. Happy Easter. Bye bye.